Okay, so we're here at the machine shop, and
yes, we're gonna take this here and sharpen it down like this here.
so I just got back from dropping one of the spring pole lathes off at the machine shop. And got a book that I'm going to read and then pass on. Should be kind of interesting. There's also the Puckerbrush Primitive Gathering. That's July 21st through the 23rd of this summer. More information on that coming. Machine shop has some broken pieces, junk, like white metal. It's really not nice stuff. And in replacement, had some nice heavy-duty pieces made up, and even went so far as to tap the end so I don't need a nut in the shaft. There's a hinge. So there's that. And then there's this Stanley pot. Everybody has one of those, right? And the modification is the little the key ring, so when you put it in your fire, you don't melt. I melted my thing. 5 minutes, and it was gone. And put a key ring on there. But these don't have a bail, and you can rig it up to hold it, you know, like this, and then yeah, sure, and then you spill your stuff all over the place. But check this out. A bail. So silver braze, I think that's what that was. This little thingy here with some stainless spring steel with there's a little notch here that the bail pops into that. Isn't that something? Listen. Yep. So it's always good to know a nice machine shop. And there's a nice exchange of books. And don't forget Puckerbrush. This is the second lathe, which will be available for use at the Puckerbrush Gathering.